welcome back to another video. I'm out here with fam. Y'all in the car. And honestly, I felt knocked out early yesterday. I don't know what the fuck happened to Ray. But look, let's check the fucking trunk. Ray? What time is it? What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm going to Rolling Loud for the first time or ever in my life. I've never been to a concert in my life, and this is gonna be incredible. I'm really looking forward. You know who? Take a guess. Nico. Exactly. Estamos en el junction.
This is Flushing Main Street bound 7 Western train. The next stop is 1 I just saw it.
That's it. Yeah. This is my apartment tour. Look at the place, looking nice, looking fresh. Nah, I'm just fucking with y'all. I go back to day 2.
Don't mind the hair because I'm still.
That's constant. Get lit. Yeah, man. You see,
That's good.
it's good, but then once.
And you know I'm getting the flag. How the fuck y'all feeling out there tonight? We just want to give y'all motherfuckers a good show. That's all we trying to do. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. Before I get into my next song, I just want to say this. NYPD, I love you to death. I really don't keep shit. All the niggas that keep shit. Tighten up, nigga, you leak shit. Sweat up, boy, the shirt. You niggas think we eat the shit. I hate this broken, I hate this street shit. I know you
We living life right here. Checking on the damn bus. Just in case, you know. Emergency.
Where are you getting your windows from?
My niggas is ass. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Bad cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas. What the fuck your name is? All set.
I didn't record much in Rolling Loud, but here's some pictures. You know, it was fire. Anissa looks like she's dying here with the gang on her way to Rolling Loud. And here's A$AP Rocky and Future. It was dope. It was incredible.
Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.